Hey guys, welcome back to Arry The Stag. It's TR Tony here in the driving seat in literally the middle of nowhere, somewhere outside Guildford, well, between Guildford and Alton, in fact. And today, as promised on a previous video, you may have seen it before, I'm off to see young Paul at Stag Classics, who specialises in Triumph Stag. So that's really good news. I found him through a connection with the Stag Owners Club 2 or 3 weeks back. We've known of each other for a little while. I picked up the phone and spoke to Paul last week, and he said, look, I've got lots of Stag projects I'm currently working on. If you want to come and have a look at our cars, then please feel free. So I phoned him yesterday, and yes, we're still on for a meet. So I'm literally just down the road from his garage now, literally up to my neck in muck and bullets to my right here. I daren't get out the car, I'll end up in about 6 foot mud drift, so or mud sink, mud hole. So don't want to do that. So I thought I'd present from inside the car today. So we're just going to go and see him. Apparently he does all sorts of Triumph Stags for the rich and famous, has got a very good reputation in amongst the Stag Owners Club. So let's go and see what he's about. We're literally just down the road from the Watercress line. So if ever you're down this way, that is a very good day out. I understand, I've not been myself, but it's a steam railway, and you can keep the family happy at the same time as maybe coming to see Paul and then come and have a chat about Triumph Stags. Anyway, without further ado, let's get up there and go and see him. Right, so this car is supposed to be a 4x4, so let's see if we can, yes, just about get out of the mud. That's good news. That is a good start. So we're on our way. Listen to all that mud coming up through wheel arches now. Okay, down here actually, we'll have a look. We'll drive in and see what we can see. Ah, there is a Stag. That looks very hopeful, doesn't it? That does look very hopeful. One way. Oh, there's another one over here too, which is good. Wow, okay, let's see if I can park up and see what's what. It's a little bit breezier than I thought it was going to be outside, but I think you can see here we have a couple of really nice classic cars waiting for us to be seen. Let's go and have a look. A few more over there too. Very nice white one there with the wires. Green one over here. And there's a whole load of them over there, look at that, a Stag Fest, marvellous. Okay, so this is Steve's white classic rolling restoration, and looking resplendent on a K-Reg. So I've just popped in, had a quick shifty round, and now I'm going to share with you this wonderful Aladdin's Cave of Stags. This is a real jewel in the crown down in Hampshire, guys. I had no idea there was so much to see. As you can see in the car park here, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Stags of various types parked up. I believe these are customer cars in various states of repair, as I say. I will show you in just a second inside. Just been round, and they're making me a cup of tea very kindly. Met with Paul and the guys. Basically it's a Saturday workshop in here as far as I can see. We've got individual owners with their own Stags working on them and bringing them up to scratch, and it's like we've come home. Just incredible. Anyway, just thought I'd show you these Stags in the car park in case it starts raining, which it may well do soon enough, but what a treat. Stags aplenty. In fact, I don't think I've ever seen so many Stags in one place, apart from at a car show, ever. So how about that? Okay, yeah, so this is the yellow one we were looking at earlier in the car park. Paul's got a little bit of a tale to tell on this one, so what's the background?
Young lad bought it with a Rover V8 engine in it,
yeah,
automatic gearbox and an Edelbrock carburetor.
Yeah.
He had a few problems when he brought it into me, and I found out that the engine had hydraulic itself with fuel.
Yeah.
We discussed about putting another Rover in there. I wasn't really keen on doing a Rover engine.
No.
And his dad came down and suggested to his son that we put a manual overdrive in it, which we have.
Yep.
And we've done the job now, so we're just waiting for him to collect it in a couple of weeks' time when he returns from Cyprus in the army.
Righto, fighting for Queen and Country.
With this one.
Yeah, looks nice. I do like the yellow, I must say. Yeah. It is growing on me. Despite ours being VW Audi Brilliant Red, the yellow does pop, I think. Mm. Right, so moving on to this
This
K-Reg
black
one.
yeah.
Black one, yeah.
Chap phoned me up, bought it on the internet about a month ago, 6
Yeah.
weeks. He bought it for a certain price, and when he brought it to me, it wasn't running at all. Had various issues. It was very badly presented.
Yeah.
I said to the guy, "Could you take it back?" And he said, "No, I just want you to
Work it through.
work it through." So
Yeah.
we recommissioned the underbody. Put a
Okay.
completely brand new interior in it.
Yep.
Recommissioned the engine, new wheels, brakes, and roof.
And the interior, we could just see through the window there. It's all been redone, as you said. So it's looking really smart.
Yeah, really pleased with that one.
Yeah, very good.
This one is customer Nigel.
Yeah.
Came in this morning, came to see it, very pleased.
Yeah.
He's had it off the road for 6 years.
Righto. Got some bodywork going on there by the looks of it,
yeah,
on the
he's
wheel
had the
arches.
He's been having someone do the body work, but
Yeah.
that's what he's going to arrange to be done. But my job
Yeah.
was to recommission the running gear and the engine. The valves were bent.
Yeah, okay.
So he decided that he wanted a new, fully reconditioned engine,
Yes.
which we finished this week,
Well done.
which is all in.
Wow, look at that. You do some great work here, Paul. Some really good things to see. Yeah.
The problem at the moment is the car's been sat for a while, and the heater valve is pouring water into the car. So we've got to do that.
You've got to get
before
the,
we've got the chokes and everything.
So to do that, you've got to get the bulkhead out, have you?
We've got to take
The dash out.
Well,
Yeah.
we've got to take the complete heater out because it's actually broken on the
Yeah.
copper joint.
Okay. We had ours pressure tested a few months ago. It seemed okay, but of course where it is, they're quite tricky to install as well, aren't they? When you
The valve, yeah.
Yeah.
It's a bit of an awkward job, but
yeah
we've got a little tool that we pull the valve out and we just clean the brass valve and
yeah
replace the O-ring, and,
Yeah.
and it's fine. But
That's
that's
fine.
not the issue with this one. This
No.
one's broken on the
matrix
on
or
the
something.
matrix,
Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
so we've got to take the whole dash out
To get to
replace
it.
the heater.
Yeah, it's a pain, isn't it?
We'll put all his interior back in and
Yeah.
we can womble off into the
He'll be
spring distance.
ready to rock and roll. Terrific.
But the engine's all been running and tested.
Yeah. Excellent.
So on top of that, probably got about another 20 jobs to do on top of that.
Okay. He's a busy man.
Yeah, I like to keep myself busy.
Yeah.
But, it's all
Okay, so this is John and Angie's Triumph Stag K-Reg. What's that? 72. Right, 1972. Yeah. And how many miles have you done on it now? Don't know. But nice looking car, isn't it? Really, really nice. On a K-Reg plate. And yeah, coming in for a service and some repairs. They're just telling me the story that it actually had a Ford Kent 3.1 engine in a little while ago, done by a previous owner in fact, but Paul's actually put all this back in now. Nice V8 proper Stag engine, and it's looking really nice and tidy under the bonnet. Beautiful car, very good, very good.
when it gets low.
Yeah, so you've got the header tank on there for the cooling. Yeah, so they're good. Does help, doesn't it? The over the header tank there compared to the. So this is an emerald green one.
Remove the diff seal
Yeah,
and service.
on the back. That's a bit of a fiddle, isn't it? Getting that out. Let's have a look at the engine. Oh yeah, lovely. Just listen to that V8, isn't it gorgeous? And there we are. Again, lovely smooth engine. Tip top. That sounds beautifully smooth actually, doesn't it? Really good. They've put a lot of money into it, haven't they, lately? Yeah. My horse, my horse. My kingdom for a horse. Horse and stags. Doesn't get better than this.